All right, according to Very Dark Man, let's get right into this today. So there's very one common thing you can actually find in the southeast, that once you come to any of the southeast states, Abia, Enugu, Owerri, Anambra.By state, their state capitals. Just tell anybody, maybe your Okada, maybe taxi driver, just tell them, take me to a nice fancy hotel. It will not take you 2 kilometers. They will take you there. In fact, they will even give you choices like, Chairman, what is your budget? What is the range of your expenses? How much hotel are you looking for? Because it has prices. Now, you will not be, if you are a big boy, you say, okay, take me to a hotel of 100k per night. They will take you there. Take me to a hotel of 150k per night. They will take you there. In fact, in the southeast, there is no quality hotel you are looking for that you will not get here. Leave Sheraton aside. Sheraton, Abuja, leave that one aside. But you see, every other standard, you can get it in the southeast. But there's something very, very important that is lacking, and that's the health sector. Now, it's not like most of these private billionaires don't have the money to build the facility and dash that their uncle or that their brother who graduated from law school, who graduated from a school of doctors, and he's looking for a way to practice. He doesn't have a way of practicing. It's not like they don't have the money, but they don't see hospital as an investment. They see it as something that will take our money from them. Now, today, this my whole story is just to conclude and let you know that when a government start paying attention to healthcare, that government cares for the people. Do you understand? Because when you walk, you will get sick. And when you get sick, the body will get stressed, you get sick. When you get sick, you need to go to the hospital. And I have a friend who actually went to do a HMO plan. He based in Lagos. He wanted to do a HMO plan for a family in the southeast. And it took him over 2 weeks. In fact, he could not even get a good hospital that suits his HMO plan. But I'm not sure that will be implemented if he was looking for a nice hotel of at least 25,000 or 30,000. He will get it. Anyway, that's one of the challenges people of the southeast are actually facing. Now, today, the executive governor of Abia State actually commissioned the modern care facility in Abia State. A general hospital in Abia State. You can see from these pictures now, you see how beautiful and of quality, no be any kind material, standard, well to do. Well, this is his arrival and the commissioning process. Here's the video. If there's any other highlights from that one, I'll bring it to you guys. After you watch this, drop your comments below, guys.
Lord, we ask at the end of this event, as we go back,
the arrival of the executive governor of Abia State, Dr. Alex Otti,
that you have the capacity to go beyond what we can ask or think. We are confident that today,
commissioning of the sustainable development multi-purpose hospital here in Ogunabo local government area.
Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, at this time we send the ovation. Make welcome to the transformer of Abia State, a man that has changed the narrative of the state, a man who is a gift for the state. Abia, the executive governor of Abia State, Dr. Alex Otti, OFR. May I now invite my colleague that is going to take you on to the program. Adeze, over to you. All right, please be seated. Thank you. Please be seated. Your Excellency, Mrs. Adeze Idera Emeto, wife of the Deputy Governor of the state. Here representing Her Excellency is Priscilla Otti, wife of the governor of Abia State. The senior special assistant to the president and SDGs, Her Excellency Princess Adejoke Orelope Adefulire, and your management team, particularly Secretary of the program, Engineer Ahmad Kalu. Honorable Chijuke Uruapa, member representing the good people of Cubana State constituency in the Abia State House of Assembly. If you don't mind, let me use you to reach out to other honorable members of that chamber and other chambers in Nigeria, both serving and retired. Members of the Abia State Executive Council that are here, and if you don't mind, I will use the Chief of Staff to the Governor, Pastor Caleb Adjabwa, PhD, to reach all of you. Let me use the senior special assistant to the governor on special duties, Dr. Mrs. Betty Emeka Obasi, to reach all other government appointees that are here, be they special advisors, senior special assistants, and special assistants that are here. All the permanent secretaries who are here with us, especially of Cubana, Comrade Nosike Ihesiaba, and your lovely wife. Permit me to also use you to reach all the mayors that are here, and I've seen a lot of mayors, including Ide John Udabala, Waba North. I've seen Honorable Uche Wogu for Aba South. I've seen the Dr. Eric Ewibe for Obingwa, and you are all well recognized and welcome, including the deputy mayors and councillors that are here with us, the second deputy chairman of the Traditional Rulers Council, who is also my in-law, His Royal Majesty Eze Franklin Mwosu. Permit me, Your Royal Majesty, to use you to reach out to all other traditional rulers